Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab P1S filament stuck in extruder, clear jam and reload filament. Fix 1. Heat the nozzle and unload the filament. First heat the nozzle to the recommended temperature for your filament around 220 to 250 degrees Celsius for PLA/PETG. Now on the printer, select Unload Filament and if the filament starts moving, gently pull it out while the nozzle remains hot. Fix 2. Perform a cold pull. Heat the nozzle, insert a piece of filament, then allow it to cool to the cold pull temperature. And slowly pull the filament out to remove debris or a partial nozzle clog. Repeat this process for around 2 to 3 times if needed. Fix 3. Remove and inspect the nozzle. Turn off the printer and let it cool. Then remove the hot end/nozzle assembly. And check for melted plastic or debris blocking the nozzle. Then clean or replace the nozzle if it is clogged. Fix 4. Clear the extruder jam. Remove the extruder from the tool head. Open the extruder housing and inspect the drive gears. Now remove any broken or ground up filament using tweezers or needle nose pliers. Clean the gears before reassembling the extruder. Fix 5. Test the printer. Reassemble the extruder and reinstall the nozzle. Then load fresh filament. Extrude a small amount of filament to verify smooth feeding. Then print a small test model to confirm the jam has been cleared. Fix 6. Prevent future extruder jams. Keep filament dry to reduce brittleness and use the correct nozzle temperature for each material. Then clean the extruder gears periodically. Now replace worn nozzles and damaged PTFE tubes when necessary. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.